This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you play the guitar. In this video, we're going to work on some melodies together. Of course, we'll be reading those melodies in tablature notation, as that is the focus of this lesson series. As we're reading those melodies and working on them, we'll be jamming right along with the band track that I've created for this video. So we'll be jamming with the band. You, me, and the band are going to play these songs. It's going to be super fun. This video accompanies the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. So in this video specifically, we're going to play songs 113 through 115. We'll be on pages 83 through 85. It's going to be super fun. We're just going to go ahead and get started here with playing these melodies. Remember to keep that index finger in the first fret, middle in the second, ring in the third, and pinky in the fourth. Want to keep the fingers on the tips. We want to work on that. You can warm up with little exercises that I've demonstrated before if that helps. Sometimes as we're working on the exercises, we can focus on how our fingers are playing each of the notes, each of those spots, each of those frets on each of those strings, and then when we're playing melodies, we can just let that kind of go. Hope our technique is crossing over from those exercises and just work on playing that melody, learning that melody by ear and playing right along with the track. Now, each one of these will happen at 2 tempos per our usual, a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. And per our usual, if you're struggling to keep up with a tempo, then just pause that video, work on that melody or the parts that are difficult, get it faster and faster, bring it up to speed, and then play it right along with the track, which is super fun. All right, this is going to be great. Let's just go ahead and play these together. All right, fantastic. I hope you're having fun with this. In the next video, we're going to work on some more melodies, which is going to be great. So take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.